Misty Noel, the estranged wife of former Clark County Sheriff Jamie Noel, has rescinded her request for a new judge in her case. A hearing is scheduled next week to potentially throw out her plea deal and set the case for trial. Focus reporter Travis Breeze is here now with a recap of why Misty wanted a new judge in the first place. Travis?
Well, Connie, Misty Noel argued through a series of motions on July 16th that Judge Larry Medlock had been biased against the Noel family for over a year, citing things that he even said to Jamie Noel during his criminal case. Now, Misty was directly responding to Medlock's July 7th order when he threatened to throw out her plea deal and hold her in contempt of court for comments that she made to an interview or in an interview to another station that came out right after her plea deal was accepted. Now, Misty Noel was sentenced on July 3rd to 1.5 years in prison and 4.5 years on probation for theft and tax evasion from her husband's nonprofit company, New Chapel EMS. So the ball was back in Medlock's court to decide whether or not he was going to recuse himself. And then late Friday afternoon, Misty rescinded her motion. No reason is given in that motion, and her attorney would not give any additional comment on the phone today. During her sentencing on July 3rd, Medlock made several remarks, one of them saying that Misty failed to protect her daughters.
While you were engaged in this illegal activity with your estranged husband, you showed by your own actions they were not worth protecting. From the fallout of your greed, even to the point of letting one of your daughters adopt a criminal lifestyle as well.
Medlock was referring to Casey Noel, who served 4.5 months in a county jail and is now out on 4 years of probation. She pleaded guilty to stealing over $100,000 from New Chapel. So now that Misty has rescinded her motion for a new judge and rescinded the motion to cancel the August 12th hearing, it appears that that hearing is now back on for next Tuesday at 10 a.m. In the studio, Travis Breeze, WHS 11 on your side.